Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to tag a user on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to know that tagging a user on Reddit is a straightforward process, and here's steps how you can do it. First of all, you need to open Reddit post or comments, it doesn't matter, where you want to tag a user. Navigate to the post or comment section, and here you need to write a tag in a correct format, so you need to write you, then this, and here you need to write your username. No, not yours, and you need to write the name of user you want to tag. So for video I will write something like that. Yes, and now once you've done that, you just simply need to write a text or something you want to tag on it, and that's all. So also you can tag them after your text. So for example, you can write thanks and the tag of the user. So that's all. That's how you tag a user on posts and comments. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.